Well, I was going to say good morning, but it's not morning. It is the afternoon. It's July 4th, so happy 4th of July. Of course, you're not going to see this today. You'll see this probably tomorrow. So, we are going to a 4th of July cookout today. So, I just got out of the shower. I'm doing dishes, getting ready for the cookout. Deborah and I are taking hot dogs. We went to Walmart, did a Walmart pickup yesterday, and picked up hot dogs, hot dog buns, potato chips, onion, mustard, ketchup, corn on the cob. I'll throw that on the grill. It's like a community throw it on the grill thing. So chicken is going to be provided, but anybody else can bring anything they want and throw it on the grill. So got a big bag at Walmart of corn on the cobs. So we'll throw that on the grill along with the hot dogs. So we also went to the thrift store yesterday. Y'all might have already seen that video. Hang on just a second. And we got these plates. So we got 2 of them. Yesterday was half off. I think. I don't know. Was this $1? That don't even look right. Well, if it is, we got these for 50 cents. Maybe that is right. I don't know. But maybe they were $1. I don't remember. But I'm washing those up so we can take those to our little cookout. My geranium is about to bud. Yeah. There's a little barrel cactus coming up right there. How cool is that? I just found a quarter. 1966. Well, you don't see those very much anymore. Too bad it's not a 1964. It would contain silver if it was 1964 or pre 1964 and before contains silver. So, oh man, so close. Oh well, 25 cents richer today. Okay, today is the day. We're going to start on the insulation and start on the paneling. Well, insulation anyway. Look at your knee pad.
And it's from Klein Tools.
Yeah.
I actually met the family when they moved their headquarters to Mansfield. I worked as the membership director for the Mansfield Chamber. Got to go to lunch with them, and anyway, too cool.
Very cool. Are you watching every move we make, Bandit?
What are y'all doing?
What are y'all doing? He's like, okay, I'm over it. Got the camera out. So, this is as much as we've gotten done with one package of insulation.
I forgot to take my knee pads off.
Still got to do the ceiling. We're back at Lowe's for more insulation. At least we're on the insulation aisle.
Yeah, we got the right aisle. Oh, look at that reflectors. Whoa. Oops.
Hey, look, Deborah has another fan. She's picked out colors for her casita.
Thanks for your help. It was fun.
Uh-huh.
So, don't know which, this is for the exterior. Don't know what we'll do, but I'll get to look at them on the, hanging out on the outside wall for a while to decide.